Today I'm going to show you my 5 streams of income that I've created by the age of 25 and how you can create them as well. Let's get into it. How's it going, guys? Ryan here and welcome to another wealth management video. We haven't done one of these in quite a while, so I thought, why not? Let's get back into it. We do want to talk about a bit more personal finance stuff, and I thought in today's video I could talk about my 5 streams of income, or ways that I effectively make money on a daily basis. But before we get into that, guys, please remember to give this video a thumbs up if you do enjoy it. And subscribe if you want to see more of this sort of content as well. Obviously, I'm covering more stocks and crypto at the moment, but if you want to see more wealth management, please let me know. I'd also love to know what your ambitions are and what your streams of incomes are down in the comments section below. So without further ado, let's get straight into number 1. And income stream number 1 is my most basic, but it is also my most essential. It is the foundation for being able to create all my other income streams, and that is simply my full-time 9-to-5 job. This is effectively something that the majority of you, I'd assume, watching this video would have, and it is basically your leverage point. It's the way for you to pay the bills, it's the way for you to pay rent, it's the way for you then to take a bit of money aside and then start investing in other opportunities, other streams of income and those sort of things. Never discount the 9-to-5 income. It is absolutely essential, and without it, it makes it extremely hard to be able to develop those other income streams. So make sure you have a strong career focus, especially when you're starting out, to enable you to have the best opportunities to develop further streams of income. Now, obviously, you can take many different ways of doing this. It might just be through, a part-time job. It may be through casual work if you're at uni, for instance, or at TAFE, or it might be a literal full-time job like myself, your 9-to-5, and you can be, an accountant, a doctor in commerce, a simple labourer, anything like that. You don't need anything crazy. You just want an income stream that is there to effectively be paying your bills and hopefully making you a bit of cream on top as well. It is by far the most fundamental income stream that we are looking at initially. Income stream number 2, and for those of you who have followed the channel for quite a long time, you know exactly what this is, and it's stock market. And effectively, this might not necessarily be called income for some, because I'm not really receiving a regular monthly paycheck. I may have to wait a few months, even years, to see the rewards. But overall, it is something that is still making me a significant amount of money. And the stock market is one of the easiest ways to do a bit more with your money. You can play it safe by investing in, growth companies or dividend companies in the blue chip area. And you can also play the riskier side, investing in, penny stocks and micro cap stocks and that sort of thing that could explode in value. The key here is to effectively just put some money aside so that you can start investing in the stock market. And while you're doing that, you've got your 9-to-5 job going. That is developing effectively that pool of funds that you need in order to start investing. You do your research. You watch videos and channels like mine, read books, educate yourself on exactly how to invest in stocks and effectively how to pick stocks which are going to be safe. For my best recommendation on what your investment strategy should be when you're starting out, I like to use the 80-20 rule. So 80% of your stock should be relatively safe, and the other 20% can be those riskier stocks. So the micro caps, the ones that could explode in value and have a lot higher risk versus reward. But then you've still got the majority of your money in the safer stocks, and these are ones which could be effectively paying you out dividends and that sort of thing. Coming in at number 3, and that is crypto, something that I've recently started to cover on the channel, but I've been involved with over a number of years now, and I've seen possibly the greatest returns on my investments from a percentage basis. Just simply putting money into the likes of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and many other cryptocurrencies a few years ago, and sitting on them and quite literally doing nothing has netted me literally hundreds of percent in gains. And for me, that is absolutely phenomenal. It's such a new technology, and quite frankly, I don't even think I was involved in the crypto game too early. I wasn't involved in Bitcoin and that sort of thing when it was worth, a few $100s or even a few dollars. I was involved in Bitcoin when it was a few $1,000s, and then it had its initial run up to, 20,000 odd grand, and then came back down. And I've still been in it ever since. I'm not selling it. It is a long-term investment. So that's one thing you really want to consider when you're deciding, okay, what's another option if you're not interested in getting into stocks. Crypto is now a literally valid option. It is becoming more and more accessible. If you want to do it, I have a link in the description of this video. It's my referral link to CoinSpot. And basically you click on that and you just sign up. It's simple as that, especially for Australian investors who are looking to get into the crypto space. The returns there can be quite amazing, and you've got so many different opportunities to invest in, whether it be from specific blockchains that take your fancy, or whether it be specific coins. You've got the likes of, Bitcoin, then you've got Ethereum, then you've got things such as Cardano, or the Terra blockchain, which is Luna, and ADA for Cardano. These are really, really interesting things you can invest in, and quite frankly, the crypto space is probably one of the most exciting spaces that I'm involved with, especially given the fact that it is one which has so much potential. And obviously you've seen many people become multi-millionaires overnight, and that is purely because they're getting in there early, they're doing their research, all these sort of things. So if you're interested in getting into crypto, make sure you check out that link in my bio. It's an incredibly exciting space and very, very easy to get into now for newcomers. That segues us nicely into income stream number 4. And that's due to the fact that that link in my bio is known as an affiliate link. And basically what that means is every time someone signs up to CoinSpot using my link, effectively I get a cut of all the fees that CoinSpot would charge you on each of their transactions. And this is a space I've only very recently started to get involved with, but it is something that I've had in the back of my mind for a while. I've just not really thought about and put too much effort into, but I've really been able to see that the potential here is significant, and it's one I'm now trying to focus on and grow and expand into other areas potentially. Another example is Amazon affiliates. It's not something I'm doing at the moment, but it's another affiliate methodology that I'm looking to get involved with, or another company rather that I'm looking to get involved with. For instance, I could do a video on my top 10 investing books that I recommend you should read. And basically what I would do then is put an affiliate link in my bio to an Amazon store, and on that Amazon store, through that link, I would list those 10 books there for purchase, and I would get a cut out of the sale from that. Affiliate marketing is something that is very, very high in potential, and you don't necessarily have to put in too much effort, especially if you've got something going such as a platform like YouTube. But if you don't have a platform going, you can do affiliate marketing through advertisements. So for instance, you could set up an Amazon affiliate store, and then you could advertise the products using Google AdSense, for instance, across the internet, or advertise it through Facebook Marketplace and those sorts of things as well. So you've got all these opportunities. Now, I'm only involved with the CoinSpot affiliate marketing program at the moment, but as I say, this is something I'm looking to expand because it's a nice way to make just a little bit of income on the side without having to put too much effort in. I simply put a link in my bio, and I'm mentioning it in most of my videos, especially the crypto ones, as you notice. And just before, if you click up and sign up, it's no negative value to the user. They're literally just signing up with my link, and I get a cut of the fees that CoinSpot charges you. That doesn't mean you get charged more money, it simply means I just get a portion of what CoinSpot would typically make from you. Coming in at number 5, my final income stream, and this is one which I have been really working towards for a long time, and I've finally been able to activate it, and that is YouTube monetization through advertising. I've finally hit the criteria of having 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours over the period of 365 days. That has enabled me to turn on YouTube monetization. Obviously, I've created this channel because I really enjoy talking about all things investing, whether it be stocks, crypto, wealth management like this video, and other finance related things. But it is a way for me to make additional income. And obviously, the more effort I put into this channel now, the more money that I am hopefully going to make. It's just one of those things. But basically, this platform is enabling me to do something that I really enjoy and also make money from it as well. So for me, it is probably my favorite form of income that I'm making at the moment, but also the one where I've probably put in the most amount of effort. And for me, it has been really rewarding so far, and I'm hoping that I can really expand it and capitalize on it as the channel grows, as I keep bringing more subscribers in, educating more people. As I help you guys, you're effectively helping me through watching my videos, and I'm receiving ad revenue as a result. So that's my 5 streams of revenue, and just moving forward, I am absolutely looking at other streams of revenue to get involved in as well. As I mentioned, I'm looking into more potential affiliate marketing opportunities in the future, but I'm also turning towards things like real estate potentially in the future as well, and many other ideas that I'm, I suppose, thinking about at the moment. We are now in a day and age where there are so many different ways in order to make money that you would be silly not to at least have a look and give it a fair crack. It only requires effectively a little bit of effort, and you start to see the rewards. For instance, the YouTube channel, probably not a little bit of effort, but all I've effectively done is persisted, and gradually my channel has grown, and I've been able to then monetize. Something that's come a lot more easier is the CoinSpot affiliate marketing program. All I'm doing that is plugging that in my videos, chucking it in my description, and people are signing up to CoinSpot as a result, and I'm making not much money at all, to be honest, but it's still making me a few dollars every now and then, which is absolutely fantastic. The more the merrier, quite frankly. So I hope you did enjoy today's video, guys. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you do, and subscribe for more of this sort of content. Obviously we cover the wealth management, but we mainly focus on stocks and crypto. So if that tickles your fancy, make sure you join the channel. And I'd love to know any other forms of income that you guys are involved with down in the comments section below. And with that, guys, I hope you have an awesome day. I'll see you next time. Cheers.